Iswama ki yare luke tem loka Anyara kotomuna district loko Kalaki. Kesda bera dauti polisi na lemon. Kanuka da bongono kina kironu ikamara kedeto sumai loka Apiyai. Lera polona letem loka Anyara, Patrick Abongi, nepepeke de ngada Apiyai ke. Charles Egadu, kesdam, ejas kotomuna kani ninu ki polisi. Lerai OC station loko Kalaki, Jackson Bogere, ngesta bukolim daibe, jasberelu kotomona kani nikej kanu kada bongonkin akiro nukada ikapun. Tuptos nu kaulona ke timu loka RDC loko Kalaki. Sadik Bategene Bakele nepepekere da Tupton ke Francis Okwameri alosit koto monotem loka Anyara aingich akironi kemara kena projectan iuni.
One, the motorcycle which is supposed to be purchased has not yet been purchased. And then a pit latrine, the design which when they're giving out the procurement, when they're giving it out, is different from what is on the ground. And then the road is still calling for more action if it is if it is to be worked on as proposed. Because when you look at there, apart from grading some places and so on, the raising of the swamps they talked about is not yet on the ground.
Akiro nude uta aingi kesa imorto sakroni kamara kedeto sumailo ka aboku na kacholoni koto muna dekis noka Anyara na debusakint arauti milionito muna kanyare kosoda kiro tache nesni kamara kireda road lenyo una Anyara lust opuno lebusakint eto som imilionin akaisangon akiro tache nesni kamara kireda epikipiki la beit agwelun korada ike sirigin imilionin ikanyangon kede ilukumin akwatakang. Bategena ngese bala daibe ekotos kesbero ngicha kironi kamara kedeto somailo kaisirigin kalu na arai mam I projects lukere engeta ina.
The action is investigation, audit reports, investigations by the stakeholders and see exactly where the money went. Otherwise, the work which is there is still wanting.
So lu musi tutubite to boyangi milona kaisango lu apono to sama berikia tutubete na mamu bere nga amisikiri be balara milona rele dun si tomla kanya rebo anu ekione sama tete arde tepe do mama lele pera tu de balance ko ta bokku ngaro kida bukuki so ikeonte road de ngaro mami kontai ame buko kitai se balance le sirgi na ngol are nga account kwenye so balabu atune sota kansir mamwa jen lo yai to sa account e pona la porte da vengater sirgin alo sa swamborlu mama be cancel e tutubit se choloni e choron lo ile lebun o mudarete na koti million bal tomra kanyang keda kota kanyare e jakati ngol dare ngatacha so de pikipikeri ngaberi e dolna de la bete supply mama yaunta ida
Konye kotom na urenet kededa owailo kabonkin aingi sata Patrick Abongi ngesabuko limdaibe isirgen lwe piki keseringas ejas kotomana ngadis ido mambera itosoma itain Abu Abongi da kolimdaibe isirgini chie kesdam kotomono waike baldaibe lipuntai kanu kada itulotai projektan iche konye jamundu nakada enyakain.
Did not either meet its obligations or supply this. So the information that we're giving that they are going to source a new supplier. So that's the process. We don't get quotations from you. Okay. We only do when we are given what we call community procurement, which is an amount of less than about 5 million or 80. But like for the budget, you're going to you just do it.
How much money will borrow?
How much money will borrow in this case? It is
Karaide jasinu konye ingarno luda opara kwa etimu ko jasi polisi ni koto mana ingicha kironu kesda mam emon kina koto nada aingichi ke Ai ngich na serenge jai kutomna kanino ki policy nara itabui ai morit keda computer case da poti policy ni kijautu. Michael Onyinge, TV East, Kotem Lokanyara, Kalaki District.